Here's a Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. First thing, go ahead and turn the watch on, press and hold that power button, wait for it to boot up. Then go ahead and grab your phone. I'm using an Android phone here, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. So first thing is go ahead to your Play Store and download the Galaxy Wearable app, Galaxy Wearable, right there. That's what the icon looks like. Download that, install it, and then go ahead and open it up. Galaxy Watch, tap on Continue. Allow Galaxy Watch to find, connect to, and determine the relative position of nearby devices. Optional. For myself, I will allow. Check the number on your watch. Let's see here. I get this message here. Let me just go ahead and tap on the check mark. Gotta wait for that number to match. Okay, I had to do it over again. Okay, so now it shows up. So I'm going to confirm on my phone the same number. Confirm. Check your phone to complete setup. So downloading software now. So we'll stay on the phone now. Sign in for more features like Find My Watch, Find My Phone. I think is important. You can go ahead and sign in now, or you can skip and do it later. Okay, for myself, I'm just going to skip and do it later. For your review here, the first two must be enabled for you to proceed. So go ahead and read through that. I'm fine with just two of those on there, and I'm going to tap on Continue. Allow Galaxy Watch 6 Manager to access your watch. Read through that. For myself, I will allow. Allow Galaxy Watch 6 Manager to send you notifications. Optional, but I will allow for myself. Terms and conditions. Read through those. They're both are optional, but I'm going to have both of these checked for myself and tap on Agree. Get updates automatically. Okay, you can do your updates manually or you can do automatic updates. I'm fine with automatic updates. Getting your watch ready. This may take a few minutes. Sign into your Google account. Sign in to your Google account on your watch to use Google Maps. Download new apps and use Find My Device. Okay, so they already found my my Gmail account. You can always skip and do it later if you wish, but they already found mine, so I'm going to go ahead and tap on Next. Let me type in my PIN password to proceed. Then tap on Continue. Automatic watch backup. Read through that. Tap on Next. Samsung Smart Switch. Transfer your data and backup and restore your data. Okay, so for myself, I will continue. Smart Switch uses these permissions. Read through all these permissions. If you're okay with it, tap on Allow. Smart Switch on watch uses these permissions as well. Read through that. You agree, tap on Allow. Get a message here, update Samsung Cloud. You need to update Samsung Cloud to copy watch backups. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just click on Update. Set your wearing preference, okay? Preferred wrist, I will be using it on my left wrist, and button position should be on the right of the screen. So that's good right there for me. I'm going to tap on Next. Always on display. Tap on Next. Get help in an emergency. If you ever need help, press the home button 5 times consecutively and it's going to call your emergency services. Okay, so if you live in the US and you tap that power button 5 times in a row or the home button, it's going to call 911. Okay, so tap on Next. Track your daily activity. You can start reading through this. Understand your sleep for better rest. Get heart rate zone guidance while you're running. Take your running to a new level with advanced metrics. Get notified when an irregular heart rhythm is detected. Now it's finishing up. For now, you can go ahead and tap down here, tips and the user manual if you wish. All right, and it says you're all set on here as well. Now it's starting the watch. Now it says take a tour of your watch. You can click on start and take a quick tour, or you can just go ahead and skip it. And there you go. We are in business, guys. And there you go. Questions or issues? Comment below. Good luck.